then power back on. When the TV turns back on, you will see the brand new 2013 interface has replaced the older version. Read the Smart Evolution Kit prompt and choose OK to agree. If you do not want the changes, you'll find instructions on the screen on how to properly and safely remove the kit. Please note, not every single 2013 feature will be supported using the Smart Evolution Kit. The next step is to pair the new Smart Touch remote that came with your Smart Evolution Kit. After removing the back cover and inserting the provided batteries into the provided Smart Touch remote, press and hold the pairing button on the remote. You should see a Bluetooth pairing icon appear on the bottom corner of the screen. Once paired, a battery status indicator will let you know how full the batteries are. You can now replace the back cover. Select Start to continue with the setup process. You'll see the progress of the Smart Evolution Kit installation on your screen. When that is complete, choose Next. Scroll down to the Channel Source option and confirm or select your channel source. In our case, we are using a set-top box. Next, choose or confirm your input source, like HDMI. Now, choose or confirm the type of network to connect to. We are using an already recognized wireless or Wi-Fi network. If you are selecting a new secured Wi-Fi access point, you would need to enter a password after finding your network's name. When you're ready, scroll to the right and choose Next to continue. The Smart Hub Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy screen will appear. Please note, in order to use Smart Hub and your TV's internet features, you must agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy before you continue, so you may see that the boxes have already been pre-checked for you. Make sure to select View Details for each policy before moving on. Once you have reviewed and agreed to each policy, scroll right and select Next to continue. Next is the Supplemental Privacy Notices screen. You are not required to consent with these forms in order to complete the setup process. But please note that certain Smart TV features and functions may not be available to you if you do not consent. After making sure the appropriate boxes are checked to show you agree, scroll to Next and press the touchpad to continue. You'll be asked for your zip code in order to find your cable or satellite service provider based on your location. This will help your Smart TV display upcoming TV programming and schedules. Highlight the Enter Your Zip Code option and press the touchpad. Now enter the zip code where your Smart TV is receiving cable or satellite service. When finished, choose Done. Once you've entered your zip code, a list of service providers will populate. Find and select your cable or satellite provider and choose Next. Now, the Smart TV will configure your Smart Touch control to work as a universal remote to control your set-top box. First, be sure your IR blaster is properly in place. You'll want to have a line of sight with the IR blaster and your set-top box. Follow the on-screen instructions to make sure your IR blaster is paired successfully. Then select OK. You should see the video feed in the preview box to the right. With your Smart Touch control, simply press the channel up or channel down buttons. Did the channel in the preview box change? If it did, select Yes to confirm. When you see the setup is complete, select OK to begin exploring the new 2013 Smart